This is the Wazoo fire card. They come in 3-pack, 6-packs, or 12-packs. Just get Wazoo gear, wazoogear.com, and they'll hook you right up. I'm going to show you how these things work. They are extremely flammable, waterproof, and they fit right there inside your wallet. Something really good to have. Me personally, I like to cut them up and keep them smaller. Like I said, put inside the cachet belt. Or I have a couple on my Wazoo Spark necklace. I keep a couple of those on the back of the necklace there. It's got the sharpening stone there. It's also got the ferrocerium rod and the ceramic blade for striking the ferrocerium rod. And you got the Wazoo cards there in the back to help me get the fire starter for some tinder. They also sell this Wazoo Spark necklace as well at Wazoo Gear. Check them out. Got some videos on that as well. So once you got this cut up, all you're going to do is either use the ceramic blade on the necklace, or off the adventure kit you have a ceramic blade here. You're actually going to use the back of it here. That thing right there is sharp. And you got your ferrocerium rod that will strike and give you up to 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit of hot spark. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to shave shavings off of this card down into a pile, approximately the size of a coin in shavings, and then give it a good spark, and let's see it happens. So stay tuned. Got my shavings down there. Got my ferro rod, ceramic blade. I'm just going to use the back of it because it's pretty sharp. The ferro rod here will give sparks up to like 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can give it a whirl, see what happens here. This goes fast, so be prepared to put some other tinder on there really quick to keep it going. Here it goes. And you see those cards, they'll start burning, and then from there just put your other stuff on. Wazoo.